Hello everyone, you are very welcome to the world of amazing gadgets and the awesome invention Crazy Gadgets. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications and hit the bell icon. So let's start without any delay. Number 1. Yekap 365. Friends, meet this all-season smart mug as its name itself has 365. So this means that this is an all-season mug. Like we carry a water bottle with us in the summer to keep the water cool and in the winter thermos as to keep the drinking water hot. So this cup will be useful for you every season. That is, you can keep the liquid hot or cold only through this gadget. It is also very easy to use, just to have to set the liquid according to your favorite temperature inside this gadget through your smartphone. If the water present in it is hot, you can cool it through your mobile. So friends, if you travel too much, then this gadget will help you a lot, as well as you can also charge your mobile through this gadget, which will also enable you to use it like a power bank. So friends, is this not amazing gadget? There is definitely a life for this gadget. Number 2. Traxxas SO1. So friends, meet this cool RC car, which is not only a car but also a super fast RC car. Friends, this is a large size RC car in which you will see a lot of things similar to a real sports car on a small scale, whether it is amazing suspension or its look. Once this car starts running, it does not take much time to reach its top speed, and when this car comes to its maximum speed when driving in the road, you will be stunned. Guys, it is a very low RC car that can give the same speed, that is in terms of speed, to compete with the real car. The design of this car is completely like a supercar. So friends, if you are also fond of such great and fun RC car, then this car is going to be perfect for you. Number 3. Airwheel HW3. Friends, meet this gadget, which is very unique. You will like this gadget very much because this gadget can give you a new experience of walking. Guys, this is an electric heel wheel that you have to attach to your shoes, and after wearing it will start running on it. You will not have to walk through this gadget. That is, you should apply them, and when you do not feel like walking, then you will not have to sit in a taxi or bus. Rather, you will travel through this gadget of small distance. It is also not that you will have to install and remove them again and again, but they keep you in the same position and provide both options for walking and walking through them. So friends, if you want to take the Everest to travel the Everest distance, then this gadget is going to be perfect for you. Number 4. Playdate. Guys, if you have pet in your house, then you will definitely like it because it is a smart ball which is specially made for pets, and there is a camera in it so that you can keep an eye on your pet from anywhere, and not only keep an eye on it but also play with it from anywhere. For example, if you are out of the house and you feel like playing with pet, then by controlling this ball from your smartphone, you can play with your pet. You can also watch it live with the help of the camera in this ball. So friends, if you are looking for a toy for your pet that will never get bored, then this gadget become a very good option. Number 5. The Grove Garden. By the way, the garden is outside our homes, but if you want, you can keep the entire garden inside your house with the help of this group garden in less space. It has an indoor ecosystem which is divided into different levels. You can grow plants of your choice in it, that too in your room. It has an aquarium at the lowest level and the upper level is connected to it. That is, there is a kind of biological cycle in it. In this entire ecosystem, you can also put a vegetable plants. So friends, through this you get a good chance to know nature more closely. Number 6. Z Fly Bike. Friends, meet this bicycle. When seeing first, you will see a normal cycle. The most special thing about this bicycle is that you can reduce its size very much by folding this cycle in a few seconds, and then you can easily carry anywhere with you. Friends, if you too are bored with the traditional bicycle, then you will get to see a different experience using this cycle. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.